So today's video is a bit different. I really want to ask you, the people that are watching my channel, how I can make it better. My name is Charlotte Allen and you've reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. Today is my 30-second video on this channel and you've been giving me some really good feedback on how I can improve things and make the experience better for you guys so you can follow my tutorials better. So I know Rianne Schaefer's been really integral in helping me develop and make this channel better, and she's suggested that maybe I change the position of my camera so that you can see my tutorials better when I'm showing you what to do. I've also had some feedback that maybe the tutorials are a little bit long, so I really wanted to go to you guys and find out from you what you like about the videos, what you don't like about the videos, so I can really hone it and make it better so you can learn more, because ultimately what I want to do is get people needle felting and really make sure that you enjoy these videos and find them helpful and get as much out of them as possible. So with your feedback I can get these tutorials how you guys want them and hopefully encourage more people into needle felting. So I really appreciate if you could pop in the comments below anything that you really like that I do on the channel, things that you don't like, things that I could improve so I can really develop it and make it a better channel for you guys. So I'm really looking forward to finding out what your comments and thoughts are on my channel so I can really improve it for you. So I will see you tomorrow with more hints and tips for your felting, and until then I'll say bye and have a good day.